Hey, welcome back to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and we're going to do another cook on this Vevor commercial electric dual deck pizza oven. And once again, just let me remind you, these are in Celsius. And to turn this thing on, you have to have the timer on. You turn the switches on, one's the power, one's for light, and then you can turn it on. And these lights come on when you reach your temp, they go off. All right, so I'll stop blabbering. Let's get into this cook. Okay, so I did a frozen pizza, did some wings. Tonight I'm going to do a Papa Murphy's because I know a lot of people like to take and bake. This one is actually their pan pizza, so I don't have to hassle trying to get that cardboard off of there, although I think, you know, it's doable. It's just a pain in the rear. So also at Papa Murphy's, let me set this down. All right, so also at Papa Murphy's, well, you know, got to go the lazy way, right? Not making my own fresh cookie dough. But we're going to make some chocolate chip cookies in this thing. I'm going to put those down below. I've got to, you know, you got to scoop them out and put them on a cookie sheet. And I just happen to have a cookie sheet, so there we go. And, you know, this is just a regular size cookie sheet, and it actually fits. You got to go in this way. Lengthwise this way. I tried it this way, it won't fit. But this way, it goes all the way in and just closes. So I'm going to get the cookies on here. 425 on the top, 350 on the bottom. I think the pizza is 12 to 18 minutes. Cookies are around 12 minutes. We'll see. I'm going to get the cookies ready, get these in the oven, and see how it goes. All right, I got it up to temp. You definitely need one of these guns, especially when you're dealing with Celsius. And you can play around because the middle button is actually heating the top and the bottom, so it affects both temperatures. And when one's lower than the other, you need a gun. So anyway, 14-inch pan pizza from Papa Murphy's. I got to tell you, for the fun of it, I measured it. It's measured from 14 inches from outside edge to outside edge, so you lose about a ½ inch. So this is ready. I'm going to get this in here. "14-inch fits perfect. That frozen pizza I did was 12-inch. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and get the. I got the cookie. I got little tiny dough balls in there for the cookie dough. I got to tell you, there's 16 cookies here. And I only used half of that little container. So, I mean, it's going to probably make another 16 to 20 at this size. You know, it's good size. I don't have to have the big giant. These are going to spread out. They're going to be perfect size. So, time to get these in. And like I said, this way, lengthwise, fits just right. All right, so I'll be back when these are ready. Okay, believe it or not, we're 18 minutes. The last 3 minutes, I turned that pizza all the way around. The crust looks all crusty, and the front didn't look so much, but it had cheese over the crust. So the last 3 minutes, I want to make sure the crust on the bottom, everything is cooked well. So 18 minutes. Oh, yeah. Okay. Look at that. I'm going to go set that over here. We are going to let that cool off a little bit. And the cookies, looks like the cookies got another minute or two. Now I got to tell you, once I put the cookies in here, it went from 325 down to about 275. I mean, I didn't notice it until about 10 minutes in. So I turned up the temperature, adjusted everything. Same thing with the pizza went way down. So, you know, you really do got to keep an eye on it or just let it cook longer, either way. So I turned them up. I can turn this one off now because we're done with the top, but cookies, they are getting there, so I'll be back when those are done. Okay, so I just took a look right after I turned the camera off, and it looks like the back is cooking faster. So I'm going to pull these out and turn them around. Oh yeah, they're looking good. Look at that. I like mine a little toastier. These right here can probably go another minute. Maybe not even a minute, maybe 30 seconds. They'll be done. I'll get them off. I'll go ahead and put them over there and I'll show you the end result. All right, look at that pan pizza. I'm gonna get it out of here and onto this cutting board here in a second. And we'll show you the sides and the bottom. And up here are the cookies. Look at that. Oh yeah. Letting those cool off a little bit, then I'll put them on a cooling rack and go from there. All right, there you go. Hey, remember those racks that go inside? Look at there. I'm using them as a kind of like a cooling. There's the cookies. Look at those. Look at this pan pizza from Papa Murphy. Doesn't that look delicious? Man. Bottom's looks like it's done. It's not over baked. I would have probably liked to have seen it a little more dark on the bottom, but I think we're good. Doesn't look raw or anything, so yeah, let's give it a taste. All right, there you go. Another cook on the Vevor commercial electric pizza oven. So far, so good. Man, the pan pizza from Papa Murphy's. The dough, it's not doughy. It's cooked all the way through. Very nice. Still pretty hot. What do you think about this? Chocolate chip cookies from Papa Murphy's, cooked in that pizza oven. I mean, you can do all kinds of stuff. It's not just for pizza. You can cook wings, pizza, frozen well, thawed out frozen pizza. You don't want to put frozen on the pizza stones. So anyway, cookie. Pretty good. All right. Okay, there you go. I mean, this thing did it. Papa Murphy's pan pizza. The only thing I wish is I probably didn't have the bottom heated up hot enough to get that bottom a little more crunchier, but it was cooked all the way through. I went the full 18 minutes, 18 to 20 minutes. And the cookies, yeah, I still have one left over. This is one of the more cooked ones. Pretty good. Obviously, I'm sure homemade is a lot better, but it is what it is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. I got another cook coming out of this thing. In the meantime, I hope you have a great day.